Hey everyone, I'm Fola, aka Fola Huntis on Instagram, and I'm taking over AVOCURL's Instagram today. I just wanted to show you guys how I achieved this 5-day-old wash and go using a new product that they just launched, and how amazed I am at how much definition I still have for not using a styling product. Like, do you guys see this? And it's their leave-in conditioner. Crazy. I'm amazed. My hair completely without product, just deep conditioned. So now I'm gonna try this AVOCURL Leave In Conditioner. Look at the definition. Can we just, like, all I did was smooth it into my hair, like rake and smooth, but I feel like I just put not only leave-in conditioner but like a styling product in my hair because of the definition that I have now. Crazy what moisture can do. That's wild.